In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo. Stick around to the end. First of all, we're gonna have to sign up on the top right corner. Or alternatively, we are going to head to Shopify, Apps, Recommended Apps, Shopify App Store, or head directly to apps.shopify.com or just search in your favorite browser for Shopify. Here is our app name. Google it. Search it in Shopify App Store. Klaviyo. Make sure it's buy. Click on it. This following logo is what we're going to be looking for. As you can see, it has a free installation up to 15 SMS, 215 email contacts. And then it has a subscription that goes all the way up to $20 per month. Click on Add App. After that, you will be prompted with this page. Click on Install App on the top right corner. After your app has been successfully installed, you will be prompted to create an account. Make sure that your password is randomly generated. Don't choose anything related to you as a person. Click Connect and continue with integration. And then after that, you will be prompted with this page where you will have to fill in more details. I would highly suggest that you fill in as much accurate details as you can. Currently connecting with Shopify. If you're viewing the screen, you're successfully following this tutorial and you are on the right page. Click on Sender Email Address. Choose your email address. Click on Continue. Choose your goal. For my audience, for example, I will have to check in my email and then verify it. As you can see, if you have the wrong email, you can click on Update Email and import the email. I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Here is my confirmation email. Click on Confirm. And I'm good to go. My email is confirmed. I can grow my list with sign up format. Click Sign Up Form, for example. And now I will have a page of a lot of forms. Now it depends on your goal, but you can see that you can have type of filters. For example, if it's coupon on offers, if it's know your customer, if it's announcements, email and numbers, collect phone numbers, or collect emails. I'm going to take all of this tree and it's gonna give me something more good. As you can see, this is fly out, this is a pop-up. I'm gonna choose a pop-up as I highly believe it's good. I'm gonna keep the name as it is. Choose email subscriber, for example, SMS subscribers. Click create a form. Then promote with this page to edit my form as I would like. To edit the image, I can click edit and replace or even remove right here and then replace another image or just have a background color of black, for example. Change the text color by clicking on it and change the background color for red, for example, even though it's a terrible color, but you guys get the idea. Click on the text, highlight it, for example, italic, underline, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. To publish it, click top right corner, publish, and then publish form and go to the place. And that's basically it. Then you will be prompted with this page where you're gonna find your embed, turn it on right here. Make sure to do that as it will save it. Click save on the top right corner and then you will be good to go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.